Hello, we are almost done with the tones. Today, lesson 3, we learn the special one. One is broken, ngã, and one is heaven, nặng. This give Vietnamese its special rhythm. Let's go. First, the broken tone. Thanh ngã. Look at the symbol. It looks like a wave. But the sound is broken inside your throat. Like saying, hear the break, uh-uh, in Vietnamese, eh, ý, high pitch, squeeze your throat a little. Again, in Vietnamese, mã mean horse, Mỹ mean America, bão means storm. It goes up, stops, then up again. Next, the heavy tone, thanh nặng. Look at the dot. It is always under the vowel. It is heavy, short, and abrupt, like dropping a heavy rock. Boom! Or saying stop. Practice in Vietnamese. À, ẹ, ị. Don't try it out. Make it short. Mẹ mean mom. Chị mean sister. Lạ means strength. Cut the sounds immediately. Let's compare to avoid confusion. Number 1, sắc, smooth up. Example, má. Number 2, ngã, broken up. Example, mã, mean glottal stop. Number 3, nặng, drop down. Example, mã. Listen. Lá mean leaf. Lã mean tired. Lạ mean strength. Bó mean bundle. Bỏ mean word. Bọ mean bulk. Important note. In northern Vietnam, we say ngã, clearly broken. In southern Vietnam, ngã sound like hỏi. For this course, I teach the standard broken sounds so you can hear the difference clearly. Mỹ, standard or north, with Mỹ, sound and short. You are doing great. Only one tone left. And this is homework. Practice the sound for ngã. Practice the rub sound for nặng. Record mẹ đi Mỹ. It means mom goes to America. Send it to me and we will fix you. We will correct you. Okay? Go learn. Fighting.